Hey my Skysavers, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms talking all things money, saving money, making money, and managing your money. And today you guys, we are talking about couponing at Target. Target! Who doesn't love a good old Target run? I know I do. So I'm sharing with you some tips on how you can coupon at Target to save you a little bit of cash. Before we jump into these tips, please make sure that you are subscribed if you have not done so already. Trust me girl, your purse, your wallet, and your bank account will thank you. Let's go ahead and get into these tips that you can do to coupon at Target. The first thing that you gotta do in order to coupon at Target is you must download the Target app. In the app, you'll receive exclusive deals as well as coupons that are only available to those individuals who have the apps. By the way, this is not sponsored or anything like that. It's just, you just have to have the Target app in order to really maximize these savings. And trust me, y'all don't want to miss some of these offers, okay? Target saving program, or whatever you want to call it, is called Target Circle. So Target Circle is where you'll be able to find the exclusive deals and coupons. And you will also be able to get 1% cash back on all your Target purchases. These savings are automatically calculated anytime you make a purchase, and they do apply to in-store purchases as well as your online purchases. The second thing is that you'll want to look in Target Circle to find manufacturer coupons as well as any other special promotions. The digital manufacturer coupons that you see in Target Circle are very similar to the paper manufacturer coupons, except for with the digital ones, you just need to digitally click the coupon, it will add it to your wallet, and then you will scan your wallet at checkout and the deduction will come off. Unfortunately, the digital coupons do have lower limits than the actual paper coupons, so you want to keep that in mind. So with the digital one, you may only be able to use that on one item, whereas with the paper coupons, you can use 4 identical ones. So just keep that in mind. Also in Target Circle, you'll also find circle offers. And these are essentially coupons, okay? They call them Target Circle offers and they're coupons. The difference is that they are % off coupons. So you'll see them listed as like 15% off of paper towels or like 30% off of Oreos. And to redeem them, all you need to do is click the little plus sign next to the offer. It will add it to your wallet and then you just scan your wallet at checkout. With Target Circle offers, you can redeem them up to 4 times within a transaction. If you're enjoying this video thus far or you've learned something, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Also, comment Target Run down below. The third thing that you want to know is that you can combine Target Circle offers with manufacturer coupons, okay? You can combine the two. That's right, you heard me correctly. You can use a % off Target Circle offer, plus you can use a manufacturer coupon. Y'all marry the two, and this is why Target is such an awesome place to coupon at. I mean, it's amazing. Sometimes some of the other stores can't even come close to matching some of the deals that Target has. It's really, really awesome, okay? All right, let me calm down. I'm too excited. Let me calm down so I can give you guys the rest of the information. So what that means, let's say that you have a Target Circle offer for the 30% off Oreos. Okay, I don't know. I'm thinking about Oreos. And you have a $1 manufacturer coupon. You can use both of those discounts on one item. Okay, let's use some numbers. Let's make it make sense, right? So let's say that the Oreos are $3 a pack. The 30% Target offer takes them down to $2.10. Then you use your $1 off manufacturer coupon, and that brings your total down to $1.10 for a pack of Oreos. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about? Now, this deal may not be the best deal for your weight, but it is a great deal for your wallet. So the fourth tip, and this one is similar to tip number 3. In addition to stacking a manufacturer coupon with a Target Circle offer, you can also get Target gift cards back. So you already got your stuff for the low, okay, right? And then they're giving you a gift card back. Like, Target, you're too nice, you're too kind. That leads me into my next point. Tip number 5, you can earn unlimited amounts of gift cards and you can roll them from week to week in addition to using your coupons. This is how you can take your total from $100 down to like $10. It takes a little more explaining, so you may want to purchase my course if you're interested in learning more about that. But this is a great strategy to use. If you're interested in taking the course, check out the link. It'll be in the description box below. The 6th tip that I have for you is that you can use coupons and Target Circle offers on clearance items. Yes, girl, you can use them on clearance items too. When this happens, that often results in your stuff being completely free. So always check the clearance section to see what freebies you can get. See if there's some manufacturer coupons in the app. See if there's a Target Circle offer. This is really where you can grab, like I said, some free items. The seventh tip to know is that if you have a coupon that is higher than the value of the item, your coupon will be adjusted down to match the price of the item. Target does not do overages, and overages just means that they would actually not adjust the coupon down and you would actually be getting money back essentially for that item. But Target does not do overages. There are some stores that are out there that do overages. You can check out some of my other couponing videos if you're interested in learning what stores actually allow you to use the overage on the rest of your purchase. But at Target, if you're purchasing a toothpaste and it costs $2, but you have a coupon for $3 off, that coupon's value will actually be adjusted down to only $2. And the last tip to couponing at Target is, girl, get you a Target Red Card. The Target Red Card will allow you to save an additional 5% on top of your coupons, on top of gift cards, on top of Target Circle offers, okay? You're getting another 5% off of your purchase. And it's the easiest one to get. You just have to have the card. You don't have to clip any coupons. You don't have to look through the app. You don't have to do anything to get this. You just have to use your card at checkout. The Target Red Card does come in like 2 different forms. So you can actually get a credit card, or you can just get a Target debit card, and that is linked to your checking account. I personally have the Target Red Card debit card option, and I use that thing every single time I'm in Target because I want my 5% off. Also, being a card holder does have some additional perks and benefits outside of just saving the 5% off. But that's actually my favorite feature of the card and the one that most aligns with saving money and couponing. Okay, so those are 8 tips, okay? 8 good, solid tips on how you can coupon at Target. Feel free to leave any additional questions that you may have about Target couponing below, and I'll be sure to get to them. Before you go, please make sure you also subscribe to my channel. Hit the little notification bell so you do not miss any future uploads from me. I do post videos every single week, and they're pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. Well, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Happy saving!